let's see. Got chat? Do I have chat? Let me see. Hacking, do it every day, bro. Every day. God damn it. Restream, what the fuck are you doing? Come on now. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So now can I have the thingy, please? Elon, hurry up. Alright, there we go. We got it. Alright. And then that's chat. And then this. And then I don't look at Twitter so I don't get stuck again. Check this out though. It's cool. Okay. What code am I going to write? What is the question? Let me grab my notebook real quick. Not that one though. This guy. Okay. With regards to fresh Deno, I did cheat a little bit because I did read one line of the Deno docs. I don't know if I want to do web tonight though, because in case you missed it, what I have been spending the last day or two, question mark, doing is obsessing about this thingy, entry-based signaling and parallel CLT decoding. I think this is really cool, and I would like to, and did, round up a bunch of people and see if we can implement the last thing that didn't get implemented from OpenAI Dev Day, which is O1 preview. I guess they're on real O1 now. I think this is a good way to do it. Unfortunately, it's in Jax. I think he has a Torch one now. I think, yeah, Torch, yeah. So I could fiddle with this tonight. I don't think I want to dig into that because I want to save possibly this or possibly something else for this weekend for Basement AGI Club, because I'm definitely actually going to do that this time again. Oh yeah, I should see chat so I can see chat. That's the whole point of it, isn't it? Oh, actually I should check, let me see if chat like works. Hold on. Dear chat, do you work? Because I don't. I'm unemployed. Okay, let's trigger the test message. Okay, Steve's here. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate you, buddy. And then I will put that in a place where I can see it. But I'll clear it out real quick. Clear. And then we go restream. Okay. So, what was I talking about? I also need, I need music. I need my music tab. There we go. There we go. I wonder if I will eventually get copy striked at that, even if I like never turn on the money button ever. Being broke builds character, trust me. So, yes, this is a thing. The idea being, I won't go like way deep into it because I went way deep into it. But suffice to say, I think this is at least an approach of replicating a one-style COT. We will explore that more over the weekend. But what I have done in response to seeing this is grabbing all the smart people I can that are smarter than me, because I am not good at Jax or Torch, and rounding all of them up, and then grabbing everything that I could find that might be relevant to read about trying to do this in the most kick-ass way possible, right? problem is, when I do that, whenever I go looking for stuff, I tend to get a little too over enthusiastic. Thankfully, we are practicing Notebook LM Jutsu, right? So what we did yesterday, or the other day, or whatever, was we took a bunch of docs and we said, we're not reading them. We're just going to condense them, right? Same principle applies here. I'm going to take all, what I want to do, I don't know if I'm going to do this whole thing tonight, but what I want to do is take all of the junk that I have collected, and there was a fucking lot of it, some of which I will say that you must come join us at Basement AGI Club to get the down low on, but only as a blatant engagement farm, because I think that is what you're supposed to do. I don't know. Presumably that's what matters in 2020, whatever the fuck it is. So why am I talking about? So the reason I'm talking about that is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the sources that I have found. A lot of them are Twitter threads, a bunch of them are papers, a bunch of them are random articles. There is one GitHub repo with 12 stars in it that is a revised implementation of spline optimization that has an explainer article that is written entirely in Russian. Shout out whoever that is, I forget. Actually, let me find him real quick, because I found him. Astrolord, yeah, dude's cracked. Go read his blog. And this is in Russian. I'm obsessed with cans right now, so anything spliny, I will collect it. But found a bunch of shit like this. I don't even have time to read it all, so nobody else, especially the wonderful, kind, smart people who are like listening to the random annoying guys showing up in their DMs going like, hey, please come help me run torch code, because I'm an idiot. So I need to fix that for them. And the way that I'm going to do that is, for all of the sources, I'm going to start off by ripping them. And this, if you've been following the saga, what we've been doing is doing the same thing with docs, right? So let me check the sources here. Oh, did I put the... I didn't. Denodocs is supposed to be in here too. So the thing that I need to do is make sure I can coherently rip everything. So how can we do that? I think I wasn't sure how I was going to do that, but I think I just had the thought of how I'm going to do that. The other problem I ran into today is that hunting shit down on Twitter is annoyingly slow, and I need to go fast. Let me go to repos here. I also want to practice the new shell, because that will be helpful too. Let me check here. Do I have what's it called? Crawler. I don't think I do. Okay, got it. Fuck you, you little shit. Clone repository directory. Dope. Okay, so this was let's see, let's pull her up. And even if I don't get around to like writing actual code, Lua counts. It's definitely code and not just a dumb language for babies. This is a plugin that I wrote a little while back. Originally, it was because that thing that I did yesterday to get the docs into the Notebook LM, I wanted to be able to do it in my NeoVim so that I could put my robots into my NeoVim and then give them all of the delicious information that they might need, so I don't have to read words. Unfortunately, I found out slightly too late that both of the robots that I put in here already do that. But what it does mean is we can re-rig it kind of for a different use case, right? And that use case will be twittering really fast. So what we have right now is like pretty rudimentary here. Let's fucking get rid of this shit, and we'll go here. Let's see. So let me get. What do I have up? I have crawler. Is this crawler? Yeah, local M. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna open it all up. Okay. If you can't tell, I did this whole fucking thing with AI because I don't even know Lua. I'm a big idiot. That's how you do it. Now everybody's catching on to cursor. I'm way past it, bro. Too slow. Plugin name. Minimal init. Yes. Crawler. Okay. Using required field in config opt. Okay. Do I have the conversation in this? Fuck. Looks like I don't. Hello? Fuck. There we go. So, what I need to be able to do is test this. How am I going to do that? I have a test file, but I think I have to have like another extra NeoVim, which I do. But tests. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so these are tests. That's why they're in the test folder, my guy. Easy peasy. No problems. What's the... How do I put that? There you go. Okay. Back. Something's fucky. Oh. My, keyboard got unplugged again. Hello? Keyboard, please? Thank you. Okay, so let's read my own docs, because it's been a fucking hot minute since I actually played around with this. And then this is Lua, this is plugin. Do I not have the tests open? Tests minimal in it? I have that. I really want that to tell me that though. Otherwise I'm gonna get confused. Okay, what is Harpoon? On... I don't know how to use Harpoon. I just do that. Fire. Oh wait, it's fire, and then that. I don't know. Help. Harpoon. Okay, telescope. Custom behavior, a harpoon list. Where I create a list named CMD. You can imagine that a terminal list would be just okay, cool. When I call list add, but then I need to know what the harpoon settings are here. But I actually, okay, harpoons, but it's all config. I don't need to know that. I just need to know like usage, bro. I like key maps. Maybe which key will just tell me this. I feel like it will, right? Let's do it. Save on toggle. I don't care about any of that shit. Alright. Which key? Oh. Can I literally... I can just harpoon this to 1. And then I have a harpoon. And I can go to 1, right? No? Here. And then 1, 2? No? How do I fucking use this plugin, man? I could've... Because my thought was... Harpoon quick menu... Harpoon file. Right? So that's caps. And then small. Small is go. Okay, okay, I got it. I'm just an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna need my minimal init, so harpoon that. And then do I have to lead her, or can I just... Okay, yeah, I have to lead her. I feel like I want... no, I can't just like... Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. So, I can go 1, I can go 2. Alright. We in business. Lua. Crawler's spec. I need spec. I'm gonna need that. So we're gonna harpoon our tests. That's what we're gonna do. And then let me get a little... Why did I put... Okay, but it's fine, because what I really needed was to, like, what was gonna tell me. It's fine. And then harpoon it, and then look at it, and then, yeah. Can I, like, delete that or something? Can I just X this? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. So we have our spec and our tests, and the question is, where do we go from there? First, I want to see if this is even in this. It wasn't. I think it was L. All right. I mean, might as well, right? Since we're here. I still need, actually, I need to put, I think Saturday has to be config day, because otherwise I'll fucking go insane. There was another thing that I just thought of that went away. Okay, so, what are we gonna do here? We're gonna look at chat, because we said we were gonna do that. I think... So what I'm thinking is I can probably just like aider this whole thing, and not really have to bother with it. So let's think about the behavior we want then, right? That's what we were doing. We were checking to see. Do I have a... There's a... Can I like search for a command? I should be able to do that, right? S commands. There we go. Crawl. Okay, so it's. I don't think I have it. I could have just looked at lazy the whole time. I'm an idiot. But which I did happen to see. And then can I look for crawler? I don't have crawler. Okay, that's fine. I think it was probably because it was broken. And if I have a minimal in it, explicitly load our plugin. Okay. Ensure the plugins are loaded. Get in plenary directory. Okay. Let me just help plenary real quick. Help plenary. Okay, plenary test. Plenary test usage. Use key map plug plenary test file. Let's see, can we do like a leader T? Is that our test button? That'd be spicy. Leader T? Oh, based, hell yeah. Can I run all test files? Fuck it. Ah, you little shit. Thought I was gonna get lucky. So, how are we gonna be able to do this then? Run nearest, talk a summary, stop run file. Can I just like have this? No. And then toggle watch, debug nearest, toggle output panel. Okay. You know what I need? I need AI to help me fucking use my IDE, I tell you what. Yeah, I know, I'm an idiot, okay. I put in all the shiny things, and I need those. So, why don't we can just have Ader take a look, right? There's no harm in that. So, Ader open. Yes. Yeah, I know, buddy. Are they? They shouldn't be. Files are in different Git repos. That's kind of weird. Okay, hold on. We gotta figure this out. G. Local main files. Yeah, I mean, we just cloned it. I don't know what the fucking thing's complaining about. Oh, shut the fuck up. Let me out, bro. Press enter to return to where you go. Oh god. Oh god, we're trapped, bro. We have to use the mouse, I think. I'm concerned. Okay, and then we click here, and that's what we are. And then we are exits. And then that's not gonna fire anything, and then maybe we have to just like kill the whole team. I'm a professional, goddammit. Control tab, new. Oh my god, no. Control T? New. Okay, yeah. Everything's fine, everything's fine. I know exactly what I'm doing, okay? Crawler plugin name. LOL. What's this? What did I do here? Oh, I think this is probably from the template. I don't think I need that. So that means it's leader B. Delete. Yeah. We got crawler. Plugin name probably not necessary. That's a couple of plugin names. Kind of weird. Is there anything different here? Okay. This seems relevant. Man, this is... Oh, I get why Manuel, like, leaves himself notes. I guess I could have Pieces do that. But, Pieces got all fucky earlier, so we have nuked it for now. Oh yeah, I wonder if this is, we're gonna have to... Can we can T and then we can X, yeah? Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. So we have the spec for the tests, and then we have the minimal init, which we do want that, I think. Yeah? Yeah? Hello? Oh, it's because we need to lock. Yeah, there we go. Minimal init. No, if that tab is dead, it shouldn't... Okay, well, it's got a swap file. I wonder if this is going to fuck me later. It probably will. We got a undefined field crawl. Interesting. Use local ops. Because this is a plugin in plugin name. Very interesting. Minimal init, spec. So we have... spec and minimal init. Ooh, how do I move a tab? I'm gonna guess. Buffer, right? Can I, like, move? Delete buffers to the right, buffer explore. What if I switch to another buffer? Okay. Buffer explorer. I can't just, like, switch them in order. I probably can. I guess I can harpoon them, worst case, right? Alright. So, we just need to make sure we have everything open that we need to. That's alright. Plugin name. And then tests, minimal init. Tests, crawler spec. Yeah. And then we have like our extra random crawler and the random 2 plugin name files for no reason. 3 of them actually. Based. Nice job, me. I will never not have one of those. It will always exist. Okay. Just being very prudent. Responsible. Alright, cool. Cool. Let me out, please. I'm a professional. I know exactly what I'm doing. Hater, open. Yes, that's fine. Okay. Hey, we've got a NeoVim plugin here that I should really run the tests of because I don't actually know whether it works. I can... How can I approach that? I can go... I can run nvim, and then I can maybe dash config. So if I G on a key, then I knew. And then we go... we want... That doesn't even help. Tests... Hello. Okay, so if I nvim and then... That should help, maybe. Okay. Config. Yes, okay. Nvim. U. Our. Minimal. You just try to run the actual... Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Module crawler not found, and it's not going to find it because it is running from... I wonder if I need to... I probably need to look at, like, busted. Probably need to actually read docs again. It's kind of cringe. Not a huge deal. Not a huge deal. Not the end of the world. Pain, kill. That I need to determine if it actually works, but I don't really remember how to do that. So I have it in architect mode. So it's gonna fire to 01 first. I guess I could probably just ask Avante, but we can do 2 birds, 1 stone here. We can do 2 birds, 1 stone here, and we can have it architect, and also tell me how to not be a dumb idiot and how to use my editor, right? So let's figure out what we want. Let me go look at the hop over here. We gonna jump? Ooh, okay. Whoa, what's going on there? What's going on there, cowboy? We should be able to move. Oh, yeah, that Zellage is gonna keep fucking me up for the rest of my life, dude. Okay. actually, 01 carry me. Fuck this shit, dude. Absolutely. Absolutely. The objective for this plugin is to allow me to navigate a given browser tab of interest from within NeoVim. The current state of the plugin is current state of the plugin. Well, not state. Current functionality of the plugin is to accept a URL. Ooh, actually, I don't remember if. Let me look. Get visual selection, strip, process URL. Do I have like a crawl? Crawl with type. Search query. I don't even remember what the. And then N to go forward. Yeah. Crawl markdown with type. Okay, so crawl, markdown, JSON, and search. So I have a search, but I don't have. Okay, so what I need. The other thing that I want, actually, especially because I just kind of. Actually, I need to figure out. So for all of these services, I actually need to figure out what I'm even calling. I don't even remember. Search engine functionality, config search engine. If input.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thought.
Search in progress.
So.
Oh, Gina has a search. Interesting.
In a world of illusion.
I forget.
By thoughts, I mean specifically.
Based. Okay, so this is the thing I need to do. I can actually just have Ada.
Repetition of words. Of reckoning and calculating.
Okay.
I'm not saying that thinking is bad.
Well, sitemap won't really help me with Twitter, will it? I don't think so.
A good servant, but
it'll help me with other stuff, like if I need docs, then I can just call the sitemap, which will be good. And then I have search, Gina. So I'm not sure if it makes sense to you yet. There's a few. Basically, this is just like a hotkey to call a couple of different services. Gina Reader and Firecrawl and JSONder are all services where you just prepend the URL. With one of those other URLs, and then it will scrape the page into Markdown or JSON or do something else, respectively.
The beginning of meditation.
Actually, I want to switch. I think I want to switch tunes here real quick. This is a bop, don't get me wrong, I'm not in the mood for it. What am I in the mood for? No, the thing I thought I was in the mood for is like it's too much right now. I need to be chilling.
Money than tangible
oh yeah, there we go, I got it.
And a great occasion is somehow spoiled.
You just YouTube for hacker music, and then you're good, you're in good shape. There we go. I don't remember what the song is called. If you know what the song is called, please comment or something. I promise that's not an actual engagement farm. I just can't remember what it's called. But I really like it. I know it's like one of the fucking OG dubstep people. But, okay. So, what we have is me switching the tab so I don't get like wildly distracted. Okay. From watching my own fucking cursor run around. What we have is the to-do, which we'll call the sitemap, and that's kind of helpful. But the whole point is to be able to go fast. So what do I need to do in order to go fast? With Twitter. Why was it so slow earlier? I think it's mostly the navigation, actually. I think, honestly, I did have the tools to do it. I just didn't think of how to use them. Because I have the little thing in my browser that gives me, like, Vim hotkeys. But anyway, what's something cool we can do? Sure, we can scrape a sitemap. What was something somebody else wanted to do? Well, they wanted to chat with a Git repo, right? So, what if you could do that, but also be a chat and do it in Vim? So, we have the Gina search endpoint anyway, right? So why don't we just go ahead and implement a few things? So the sitemap, actually, we can cheat around that too, even, with Firecrawl now has in addition to the scrape and crawl endpoints, it also has a map endpoint. So we can just hit that. Let's see, let's describe how to do that. What do the docs say about this? What's the render? Crawl. Okay. That was the crawl map. Prepend URL. Oh, but this one might need some headers too, because I think Firecrawl's a little weird. I could probably browse shit. The other thing I kind of want to do is clean it up a little, because right now it's really messy. Like, it just dumps it into like an extra temporary buffer, which is kind of yucky. Add crawl map, prepend a URL with... Oh, but Firecrawl isn't a prepender, is it? So I have to actually make this request. Cringe, dude. Super cringe. But let's check real quick. Let's have a little looky though here. Firecrawl. Have a little gander. By Mendable. They fixed their I have a self-hosted instance of this, and they fixed their thing recently. Their self-hosted version was completely broken, but they fixed it because all of us jumped on their GitHub issues and yelled at them. I'm glad. Thank you for hiding that by default. Appreciate you. Is this the right one? I don't know. Okay, we're in good shape. So we might need Firecrawl docs, maybe. Yeah, docs, please. I think, unfortunately, kind of cringe reading docs, but what are you gonna do? Okay, URL, search. What's the search here? Search query to use for mapping. The smart part of the search. Is no limit applied, so that's just a string. What does it take though? We're in fucking Lua, dude. We're gonna curl this bitch, okay? I don't even know how you fucking send HTTP requests in Lua. You probably had some robot do with that shit. It's in there somewhere. Search query to use for mapping. What does that even mean, dude? Yeah, you integrate with all this shit. Cool. Just to crawl a URL in all accessible subpages. When we say subpages, what do we mean? Async crawl. Oh, if you're using, we are using curl, I believe, so we're fine. I was gonna say we should make sure we're async crawling and put it somewhere that's like nice for it to be. I guess when I said I would write code, I meant I would make robots do it for me, but that's what I always do. Let's see. What I want is scraping. Scrape is a single. I guess we can just extraction. So we can pass it an object, and then it'll yoink the thingy. Yeah. Supports SSO is open source. It's in license. Okay. How is it gathering that? What the fuck? Oh, is it? It's just giving me an LLM to do that? I don't even have to do it myself? That's cute. Fruit? Oh, okay, that's kind of spicy. Nice work, guys. That's cool. I like that. Okay, so now we have a prompt to work with. Spicy. Let's do something spicy with this. I like it. I like it. Company mission from the page. And then, okay, so it makes up the field. Very nice, very nice. It's kind of cool. There's another way to do this. It's not just genome. Can I prepend firecall? Let me see. Maybe. I don't think it's firecall that does it though. No shot, yeah, that's what I thought. There's another one. What's the other one? I'm gonna have to check element, I think. Because I said it yesterday, but I just don't remember where it is. Where it is. On God, there's a second service that does this. Maybe it was Firecrawl. Maybe it was. But in any case, if you're gonna Firecrawl, you're gonna need an API key, right? Kind of yucky to have to put in an API key for a native plugin, but I do it all the time, so. Okay, I need to switch off it before it distracts me too much. There we go. know this part. That's cool. Oh, this is a little more bass than I thought it was. Oh, you can't actions? Cringe, dude. Well, we're gonna fix that, buddy. How would we fix that? This one I know is from the Resident Evil soundtrack, which is a fucking banger. Okay, remember how I said I was going to code? I meant I was going to think and write half a prompt, because I don't want to stay up too late. But, you know what we did is practice NeoVim navigation a little bit, because that's kind of the other reason I need to make sure I'm doing this every day. So my little muscle memories start doing stuff and I don't have to like wonder dumb things like how do I run a fucking test. So, but we do need to finish this prompt because otherwise it won't generate the conversation file. What else would we like to do? Could we... Maybe we could enrich it a little bit, right? So if I need a way to like actually search Twitter in a way that's not trash, right? Because I need to be able to like, rather than just like be able to yank the whole page kind of in a dumb way. I want to be able to like find the thing I need, you know, and just have it like show up in a buffer so I can bounce around, fucking harpoon shit everywhere. What else would we like to do? other thing is I could get real crazy and try to implement brow.sh, which is a browser that just shows up in your terminal. But that's a little goofy. And then, well, I think that's probably enough, right? Because it should leave some of that out. And then the main thing I need to know is like how to run these tests, because I'm a dummy. Now we wait. Modern programming, 2024 era. We let it spend its test time compute as long as it wants while we chillax. But basically I wanted the one prompt to go through, I think. Really. That's kind of what I was after. Mostly just because I need the conversation history so I know where to pick back up later. But yeah, I think my issue today was I wonder if this will help me do the thing that I need to do, right? Because the thing that I actually need to do. What you got, baby? Navigate, please. Thank you. That's a good option. Okay, and then I'm going to teach you to be a responsible AI coder. Because I'm going to tell you what we're going to do after this. Firstly, I need to maximize this so I can actually read. I'm thinking for the UX, maybe we can like store the content in a little like NoSQL DB or something, and then you can. Ooh, okay, and then you can query the information, right? You can just build a little like little database of like, okay, I need these 5 sites, I need everything in them, and now I need to be able to like pull shit. I guess we could make embeddings too, if we wanted to. I want to get real crazy. Why would I rag with an LLM when I can rag myself? Haha. Okay. I'm tired, so I'm not going to read this. Don't do that. But if you do that, here's the other thing you need to do. After you finish waiting for this to happen, maybe. Unless unless I fucked something up, which is certainly possible. Okay, well, spoilers. The other thing that you need to do, especially if you're just willy-nilly-ing, really what you should do is every time make it write all of the tests first, because then that'll make it look at it twice and it'll make you think about it twice, is the secret tech. It also makes them like be less annoying and like change random shit, because they have the test in their context window while they're editing, right? Is this actually fucking going? Because Claude is supposed to be faster than this. Based. And he doesn't even fuck up the diff. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Well, so that was what I needed. Thank you, buddy. Do I get to keep going? Or... There we go. There, oh, okay. I was gonna say... Oh, maybe this is just because the config. You can go ahead. I don't know why this is not... What the fuck? Oh, was I like... Give it a try, buddy. I wasn't sure if it actually pushed the LSB info over to him. Which is extremely helpful, actually, because if the model can see the linter too, then it's kind of cracked. Okay. Local job. Let me look at this here. We're in crawler. GG. And we're gonna do local job require plenary job. And find field new TCP. Can I get a... Actually, let me shikar real quick. Oh, wait, no. Ooh, this is risky. We're doing it. Okay. So it's not whining about that. Undefined field new TCP. I don't know if... Is that a thing? I don't think it is. See, the hover is fucked. I need to fix that. That's gonna be Saturday's project. Okay, I'm gonna let it not do the no. Ooh, did you do my template docs? Okay, sure. Risky business. Okay. So the thing that you should do is make it write all of the tests first. But if you don't do that, or even if you do that, you want to have it make another pass. And you want to, ideally like in a new chat, you go, hey, can you suggest, or the question is, does this code have any common errors for, in this case, a NeoVim plugin? And then the other, if you want to be very responsible, you should Google what the common errors of the thing. I was watching a little video last night of somebody who was doing, he was making like a little Go server and was just kind of flying through it with cursor. And then he had a there's like a redirect kind of thing that he had overlooked, so he got an email the day later that was like, hey, I have your API keys, by the way, your AI sucks, lol. And the prudent thing to do is you as the human should go look at, hey, I'm making a NeoVim plugin. Hey, I'm making like a Go HTTP server. Okay, how are we doing here? I think he's over. I think we're done. Presumably. Okay. I think we're good. So now I have that conversation, and I have a couple of lints. Config opt. Okay. And let me check my LSP info, because I should have. LS. Okay, I do. So now, I guess if you're not like a fucking giant AI nerd, you might not know why I'm doing that. You can see now, I have 8 more hidden items. One of those is Aider Chat History MD. So that is going to help me remember what the fuck I was doing when I come back to this when I am less tired. But, moral of the story, Google how you could fuck up, then ask the AI, hey, did you fuck any of these up? Before you ship it or put it on Vercel or decide to ChatGPT a license, or I will stop shitting on them. They're nice guys, okay. But yeah, basically the idea being, if you're gonna rely heavily on a model, which I don't think there's anything wrong with doing that, because right now I'm just kind of getting my head wrapped around using my toolchain, and I'm not too concerned about whether or not I learn a lot about how Lua works. Because if I want to do that, what I need to do is sit down with the kickstart in it and go through it, and go through VimTutor intentionally. But there are some things that there are precautions you need to take, and the best way to describe those precautions, in my opinion, is just assume that they are highly enthusiastic but drunk interns that have read all of the docs, but they're drunk, so they got half of the words wrong and are randomly changing variables and shit, and also have they just want to make you happy as the overlord. So they will do exactly what you tell them, their interpretation of it anyway. Which means if you tell them, hey, give me a little Go server that sends a thingy in the thingy, and you don't say, make sure that it's not set up in such a way where anybody can just append something to the URL and redirect all of my requests to their malicious server. If you don't say that, they're not going to know that. So you need to be the responsible adult in the room if you are using the little drunk interns to write your code. That's your lesson for today. Tomorrow has, what do we have? I don't know. There's a bunch of fucking shit going on all the time. But I'm going to wrap it here, because I did the thing that I was supposed to do, which was make myself feel obligated to code, because I will get social validation by pretending there are people looking at me while I do it, which is the secret hack of hacking your own brain that has essentially no sense of personal identity. It's relying entirely on the approval of others. But I suppose that's a story for another day. We'll wrap it there. GG, well played. See you.